In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboard in Jira. If you want a simple way to organize important project information in one place, creating a dashboard in Jira is a great option. A dashboard helps you bring together useful gadgets so you can quickly review progress, issues, and other key updates without jumping between multiple screens. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process to create a dashboard and add a gadget to it. To begin, go to the dashboard area in Jira and click the plus icon. This is where you start creating a new dashboard. The plus icon is used to add something new, so if you're looking for the option to create a dashboard, that's the first place to check. Once the dashboard creation window opens, enter a name for your dashboard. Choose a name that clearly describes what the dashboard will be used for. For example, you might name it based on a team, a project, or the type of information you want to track. A clear name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you end up creating several dashboards over time. After that, enter a description. This step is helpful because it gives extra context about the dashboard's purpose. You can use the description to explain what the dashboard is tracking, who it's for, or how it should be used. Even a short description can make the dashboard more useful for you and for anyone else who may view it later. When you've filled in the name and description, click Save. This creates the dashboard and takes you to the next stage, where you can begin customizing it. Saving at this point confirms the basic dashboard setup so you can move on to adding content. Next, look for the Add a Gadget section. Browse through the available gadgets, then click Add on the one you want to include. Gadgets are the building blocks of a Jira dashboard, and they let you display different types of information in a visual, accessible way. As you browse, think about what information would be most useful to see at a glance. After adding your gadget, click Done. This finishes the setup process and leaves you with a newly created Jira dashboard that now includes your selected gadget. That's it. You've successfully created a dashboard in Jira. If you want to make it more useful later, you can continue adding more gadgets and refining the layout, but the core setup starts exactly the way you saw here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.